everyone, I'm teacher Shaima Ali, and today we are gonna take how to graph the linear equation and determine the solution from the graph. So let's start. Hey, but first don't forget like, share and subscribe. Here we have two linear equations, so let's graph them. But first let's start with the first one and put it in the basic form of the linear equation. So what is the basic form of the linear equation? It's y is equal to mx plus b. Let's take the first one. X plus 2y is equal to 4. We need to put it in the basic form. So we start with 2y, put it down, and take x and go to the other side with a different sign, so it becomes negative x plus 4. Here we need to get rid of that 2 by dividing by 2 the both sides of the equation. So it becomes, we can cancel this 2 with 2, so y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 2. Here we have the first equation. We want to graph it. So to graph this linear equation, we need 2 points. We need to get b, and b is y-intercept, and also we need to get m, and m is the slope. B is y-intercept, it means that it is my starting point here. B is equal to 2, and the slope is equal to negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2. The slope is very important because it helps me to know how to move on the graph. So let's start with B. As I said before, B is my starting point. Starting point here. And it is y-intercept. It is the point that intercepts y-axis. B is equal to 2. Here it is 2. So we're gonna to put dot here over 2, and also we are gonna to move negative 1 over 2. Slope is equal to negative 1 over 2. It means that it is y over x. How we are gonna to move on y-axis and how we are gonna to move on x-axis. Y is equal to negative 1, negative 1. It means that we will go down 1 unit because it's negative. So we are gonna to go down 1 unit. We are going to reach 2 here. Then move 2 units on x-axis to the right because x is positive here. Positive 2. So we are going to move 2 units on x-axis. 1, 2. So we reach to this point. Here we have 2 points. We are going to reach between them with a straight line to draw the linear equation. Here we have a straight line. Okay, so we are gonna to reach between these 2 points. As you see, here it is. We have a straight line for this linear equation. This is the first equation. Let's do the next one, or the second equation. We have 4x. Sorry for that. We have the next equation here is the second one. It's 4x plus 8y is equal to 64. Okay, so we need to put it in the basic form of the linear equation. As we said before, we need y alone in one side of the equation, so it becomes 8y is equal to, we are gonna to take 4x and go to the other side with a different sign, so it becomes negative 4x plus 64. Okay, here we want to get rid of that 8, so we are gonna to divide it by 8 the both sides of the equation. Okay, 8, we can cancel this with this, so y is equal to negative 4 over 8. We will simplify that fraction by dividing by 4 up and down, so it becomes negative 1 over 2 x plus 64 over 8 gives me 8. Here we have the second linear equation. and we want to grab it. Okay, so we need 2 points. B is equal to 8, and this is my starting point as I said before, and also B is y-intercept. And also we need to get slope, and slope is equal to -1/2 because the slope is the coefficient of x. Okay, so it is -1/2, and of course I prefer to put it in the fractional form because we can move on y-axis and x-axis according to -1/2. So let's start to draw it. My first point here, or my starting point here, is equal to 8, and 8 always be on y-axis because it is y-intercept. B is y-intercept, so it will be on y-axis. Where it is, we need to draw 8. Here we have 6, 7, 8. So here it is, my starting point here on 8. Okay, then how to move on y-axis and also on x-axis. Y is equal to -1. Y is equal to -1. It means that I'm gonna to go down because it's a negative. I'm gonna to go down 1 unit. Go down 1 unit. Okay, so let's see. Here it is, 1 unit down, and to the right 2 units. On x-axis we are gonna to go to the right 2 units. 1, 2. We reach to this, then I'm gonna to draw a point here. We have here 2 points, so we will reach between these 2 points to draw the straight line or the linear straight line here. So I'm gonna to reach between these 2 points. As you see here, we have 2 parallel straight line, 2 parallel straight line. So the solution of the system of these linear equation, we haven't any solution. So we are gonna to write no solution for that system of linear equations because we have 2 parallel lines. And we can also figure that if we have the same slope for both the linear equations, it means that we have no solution for that system of equation. So here we reach to the end. Thank you very much.